In today's video, how to use CapCut templates on PC. Go to CapCut website on your PC. There are two ways to find templates on CapCut. First, once you're signed in, look at the left-hand side of screen and click on Templates. You can browse through different categories, use search bar to find specific templates that suits your needs. Or you can go to your preferred search engine, type in CapCut Templates and hit search. Click on link and this will take you to templates page directly. Browse through templates and click on one you would like to use. Click on use this template. CapCut Video Editor will open automatically. And you can customize templates. With your content, click on replace and your file explorer will open. Click on clip you want to use and click on open. Clip will upload and replace the file media in template. Continue replacing other clips as needed by clicking replace and selecting your desired media. Once you are satisfied with your video, go to the top right corner, click on export and your video will be downloaded to your computer, complete with template use.